Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to get a good song on a CapCut. First thing you have to do is just open your CapCut application and open the project that you have. Let's have a check. I already have this project, but I have no songs on this video. So I would like to add a song on this video, and the things that we have to do is just go make sure that this straight line is stand in the first part on the clip, so that it also will decide when the music will gonna start. And after that, you just need to go click add audio and go click the sounds. And whenever you already open it, you just need to find out the best song that you can use for the video on this part. Or you can also click this fire sign, means that there will be some recommendations of songs that you can use. You just need to find out which that probably match with the musics or the video. And after you find it, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that, adjusting the position as well as adjusting where do this music gonna start and gonna end. Okay, so the clip is end here. Let's end the music also here. Just need to click the clip of the music, go split and delete the rest. And that's all. That's the way how to get a good music on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into